Welcome to the instructional video on how to select your room. At this point, you should be on step 9 of the housing application. On this screen, you will see a couple of helpful links if you still have questions regarding on-campus housing. First, under the room selection header, you will see a link to the room and board rates. This link will take you to the UNK Housing website where you can see what the cost is to live on campus. Also on this page, you'll see the live website. Here you can click on the residence hall and it will take you to the page with more information specifically about that hall. To select the room that you would like to live in, you will select room search at the top of the page. On the next page, you will see a list of all the residence halls. You can click on the residence hall that you are interested in living in. Next, you will have a list of all the floors available in the building. To select the floor to live on, go ahead and select it and it will turn gold. Once the floor is highlighted, you can click Save and Continue at the bottom. Now you can look through the floor to see what rooms are available to choose from. The list will tell you the room, whether it is open to males or females, and the number of beds available in that room. If you see a room where one bed is taken, you can select on the eyeglass icon and it will tell you who's occupying that room and then allow you to see their profile. Here you can see if you are a match to that individual. To select the room to live in, click on the room and it will turn gold. Once you select the room you want to live in, you can select Save and Continue at the bottom. On the next screen, you will be able to select the bed you want. On the drop-down menu, you can select the room, the bed that you want to live in, and then once you've selected the bed, you can select Reserve Beds. You will be redirected to the confirmation page that will show you the room and the bed that you have reserved. Once you've viewed your selection, you can select Save and Continue at the bottom. You will be redirected to the application status page. When you see that you have a green arrow next to the application date, the contract signed, and the application complete, you are officially signed up for on-campus housing.